look at this next one by Artie Almeida. Anything that she does is going to work. This is on page 18 of your heritage book. This is for K through 5. She talks about grouping your instruments into baskets, so the timbres are together. You've got your woods together, you've got your metals together, you've got your shakers, and you've got your skins. Now, each of you have an instrument. You should fall into that category. If you're not sure, ask your neighbor which one you think should be, or just pick your pick where you want to be. She offers suggestions on how to store these things and how to use them out into the classroom for quick access, which I really like that idea of just having it there, because I used to have all of mine on a shelf in little bins, but they weren't all grouped together. She just said just put them all in there. They can experiment with them. The first half of the book is designed for them to understand the timbre. So she'll say a little song about metals, improvise here. So all the metal instruments get to improvise within a certain section. Then the woods do it, then the skins do it, then the shakers, and then she has them rotate around and do it again. The last half of the book is designed for program songs that are actual procedures, or what does she call them? She doesn't call them procedures. She has a word and I can't think of it. I don't know. But the first half is just going to be talking about the timbres, and the next half are actual songs that you can perform. So this one we're going to do, and what I did is I just took the song Sugar Sugar, and she gives access to how you can get it from Spotify or Apple Music. But you know, 99 cents, that's an easy thing to purchase, and you can put it in your Pro library, in your iTunes library and keep it. If they still have iTunes libraries, I don't know if they're going to do that anymore either. But anyway, this is to the song Sugar Sugar. Can you see it? The skins at the very beginning, they're going to play quarter notes. And then there's woods. Do you have this in your book? If not, you're going to have to. The woods are there with the 8 notes, and then there's the skins. Then the metals and shakers together at the B section. Then there's the metals and shakers, and the skins happen. We won't do all of this, but see if you can follow along. Again, a 4-measure introduction, and here it is. Skins, get ready. 3, skins, play, that's the drums. Sugar, oh, honey, honey, good. You are my candy girl. Skins. And you got me wanting you. I'm sorry, my fault. Now go back to repeat. Honey, oh, sugar, sugar. All of this is just little songs like that you can get ideas for presentation, a way to work those in families together.